How to see unsent messages on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. If you want to see unsent messages on Instagram, you have to keep one thing in mind, that you cannot directly see the message, or you cannot exactly see the unsent messages. But what you can do is, first go to settings, then scroll a bit down and go to notifications, and then go to Instagram and turn on the notification first. After you do that, what you're gonna do is, in notifications you have to go to the option which says more settings over here. Then in the last you can see notification history. Go there and toggle this on. Now, as I've just toggled it right now, I can't see the previous messages, but now whatever message comes on Instagram, it will be recorded and saved over here, so you can see the messages from over here. So this is how you can see unsent messages on Instagram. So hope you liked it, and thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next one.